Hello everyone, Sean here from Crown Technologies. We help people reach their goals with the best clean power, air and water system. Today I'd like to tell you why we as a company here in Gauteng favor Fox CSS hardware inverters by MSPD Africa. Number one, it's the smartest value for money. And how that gets wrapped up is the best after-sales service. We've installed more Fox systems than we have SunSync, Doya, Victron, SolarX, and LuxPower combined, and I've had about 1/3 of the after-installation problems. Moreover, if there is a problem, Fox South Africa gives me the best after-sales service in the form of a direct swap-out guarantee, and the lead time is absolutely astounding. Where in the past, I've had to wait 2 to 3 weeks just for an assessment and another 3 or 4 weeks just to get the swap-out parts. MSPD Africa gives that kind of service to me in the space of about 1 to 2 business days. And if anything goes wrong, they've always got our back, day or night time. Cannot recommend MSPD Africa and Fox CSS more.